Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for $1.22 more. Automotive diesel is costing $1.43 more and ultra-low sulfur diesel is up 21 cents. The price of kerosene will increase by $1.17. Propane is up 52 cents and butane is costing $1.30 more. Oil prices settled higher today. Oil for delivery in September gained 91 cents to settle at $42.55 per barrel. The Jamaican dollar continued to depreciate today. At the end of trading, the US dollar was selling for a record $150.01. Since the start of July, the dollar has lost 7% of its value. For the Canadian dollar, it closed at $113.97. The pound is going for $196.11, while the euro ended the day at $179.82. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 2,833 points today, while the junior market index gained 41 points. Among the winners, Express Catering, AMG Packaging and Paper, Elite Diagnostic, Lasco Distributors, and Kingston Properties. On the losing side were JMMB Group 7.25% preference shares, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, T-Tech, and Caribbean Cream. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.